Is your Ninja Espresso milk frother not working or steaming weakly? No foam, no steam, or nothing happens when you press the button? Here's how to fix it, step by step. Step 1. Check that the frother is properly attached. Make sure the frother is locked into place. If it's loose or tilted, the machine might not activate steam. Step 2. Make sure there's enough water in the tank. Low water levels can stop steam from building. Fill the tank past the minimum line before trying again. Step 3. Let the machine fully heat up. If you press the frother button too soon, it may not have built enough pressure. Wait for the preheat cycle to finish before activating steam. Step 4. Clean the frother and wand tip thoroughly. Dried milk can clog the nozzle and weaken or block steam. Wipe the wand after every use, soak the tip in warm water, and use the cleaning pin if included. Step 5. Run a steam purge test. Try running the frother without milk to check for steam flow. If nothing comes out, there may be internal buildup or a valve issue. Still no steam or froth? It could be a clog inside the steam line or a faulty frother unit. Support link is in the description if you need help with repairs or parts. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your coffee.